Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Arthur Francis Deban. Today we're going to be dealing with mathematics quadratic equation. Another aspect of quadratic equation, which is the formula method. Back in the day, we used to call it the almighty formula. So I understand why now when people call it almighty, but I don't think it's that or more of a problem. So we're going to look at it religiously, like I said earlier on last week. We've been able to deal with the factorization principle where we're able to get the factors responsible in order for us to factorize that particular equation. And today we're going to look at the formula method and try to compare the both. Which one is faster, which one is easier or simpler. So I think for me, if you're able to remember your formula, you don't have much of a problem. So let's begin. So we use the formula method. The formula method says that x is equals to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So here we are going to look at the variables here. We have our b, we have our a, we have our c. So these all are important. So we're going to see them and see in a question which one is a, which one is b, and which one is c. So let's take x squared minus 7x plus 6. Question number 1. X squared minus 7x plus 6 is equals to 0. Let me confirm the question. Minus 7x plus 6 is equals to 0. Okay, from here, now, from the question given, the coefficient of x here is 1. The coefficient of x here is minus 7. And here we have 6. So, don't forget, here becomes your a, is your b, and here is your c. So, wherever or whenever you see a question given to you, you should be able to find out what your a, your b, and your c are. And once you do that, you don't have much of a problem. So let's see what we can do. If our a here, the coefficient of x squared is 1, so our a here is equals to 1. Our b here is minus 7, and our c is equals to 6. So let's apply the formula now. X is equals to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And this is equals to minus b. I have minus. B is what? Minus 7. So I have another minus here, 7. Plus or minus the root of b squared is minus 7 squared. So I have minus 7 squared. Minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 6 all over 2 times a, which is 1. And x is equals to minus times minus is plus. So I have my 7 plus or minus the roots of this is 49 minus 4, 5, 24, 6, 24 all over 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So my x is equals to 7 plus or minus 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay. 4 minus 2 is 2. So I have 25 over 2. So this means x is equals to 7 plus 25 over 2 or 7 minus 25 over 2. Okay. Oh, sorry. This is the root of 25. I have not removed it. So if that is true, the root of 25 is 5. Let's come back this way, please. Okay, now I have my x is equals to 7 plus 5 over 2 or 7 minus 5 over 2. And this is 12 over 2 or 2 over 2. And this is 6 or 1. So that is our variable. So the root of this minus is 25, the root of that is 5. So if that is true, plus or minus means, I think I skipped a step here, but I will put it back when we get to the next question so that we'll understand in case you don't get this chemistry. So here is 5, 7 plus 5 over 2, 7 plus 5, and or 7 minus 5 over 2, which is that. Let's take the second question and see how we go about that. X squared minus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. 8 is equals to 0. First, A is equals to the coefficient of x squared is 1. B is equals to minus 6. And C is equals to 8. Using the formula, x is equals to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And this is minus, b is now minus 6, so I put my minus 6, plus or minus the root of b squared, which is minus 6 squared, minus 4 times a. A is 1 times c. C is 8. All over 2 times a. A is 1. This is equal to minus is plus. So I have my 6 plus or minus the root of 6 squared is 36. Minus 4, 5, 24, 6, 24, 4, 7, 28, 4, 8, 32. 32 over 2 times 1 is 2. And this is 6 plus or minus the root of, okay, that's 4 over 2. Let's come over here. Now, x is equals to 6 plus or minus the root of 4 is 2 over 2. So this means that x is equals to 6 plus 2 over 2. We take the first plus, or 6 minus 2 over 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 over 2 is 4, or 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the answer is 4 or 2. Remember, the highest power of x is 2. Means you must have 2 word answers. So this is the formula method. If you ask me, I don't know which one I would say is more difficult or complicated, but I think if you can remember the formula, you will be in the safer part of, solving it. But then let's take the third question. 6x squared minus 17x, 3. 6x squared minus 17x plus 12 equals to 0. Equals to 0. So our A is equals to 6. Our B is equals to minus 17. And our C is equals to 12. X is equals to minus B plus or minus the root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. And this is equal to minus B. B is minus 17, so minus 17, plus or minus the root of B squared, which is minus 17 squared, minus 4 times A. A is 6 times C. C is 12 over 2 times A. A is 6. X is equals to 17 plus or minus the root of, so let's see, 17 squared, 289, this is 289, 17 squared, minus 4 4 times 6 times 12. 288. 288 over 12. My x is equal to 17 plus or minus the root of 289 minus 288 is 1 over 12. Okay, we come back here. X is equal to 17 plus or minus the root of 1 is 1 over 12. This means x is equal to 17 plus 1 over 12, or 17 minus 1 over 12. X is equal to 18 over 12, or 16 over 12. And my x is equal to 18 over 12. Okay, let us leave it in this one. 18 divided by 12, 1.5, or 16 divided by 12, 1.3, 1.33. Okay, let's take another question. Two y squared plus 35. 2y squared plus 35 2y squared plus 35 minus 19y equals to 0. 19y is equals to 0. We have to rearrange this. So we will be having 2y squared minus 19y plus 35 is equals to 0. So from here, a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 19, and c is equals to 35. X is equals to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And this is equals to minus b, which is minus open bracket minus 19 plus or minus the root of b squared, which is minus 19 squared, minus 4 times a is 2 times c is 35 over 2 times a, which is 2. X is equals to minus times minus is plus, I have 19 plus or minus the root of 19 squared is 361. 361 minus 4 times 2 times 35, 280. 280 over 4. X is equals to 19 plus or minus the root of 361 minus 280 is 81. 81 over 4. So come over here, I have my x is equals to 19 plus or minus the root of 81 is 9 over 4. And this is x is equals to 19 plus 9 over 4, or 19 minus 9 over 4, and x is equals to, this is 28 over 4, or 10 over 4. X is equals to 4, 5, 24, 6, 24. So this is 6 or 2, 5. So this is 5 over 2. Stop there. Okay, that's the formula method so far. Let's take more questions. We have 3x squared minus 4x. 3x squared minus 4x. 3x squared minus 4x minus 71. Minus 71 is equals to 0. A, B, and C. A is 3, B is minus 4, and C is minus 71. X is equals to minus B plus or minus the root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. X is equals to minus B is minus 4. B is minus 4 plus or minus the root of B squared, which is minus 4 squared, minus 4 times A is 3, times C is minus 71, all over 2 times A, which is 3. X is equals to minus times minus is plus, I have my 4, plus or minus. Here is 16 minus times minus is plus. Don't make a mistake about that. 4 times 3 times 71. 4 times 3 times 71. 852. Whoa. 852 over 6. X is equals to 4 plus or minus the root of 852 plus 16, 868. 868 over 6. So let's move over here. X is equals to 4 plus or minus the root of 868 is 29. Wow, I don't know. Why is that a perfect square? But let's see again. Let's be certain that there is no mistake. Alright. A, 4A. A is 3 times C is minus 71 plus minus times minus give us plus. 4 times 3 times 71 again. 4 times 3 times 71 is 852 plus the square of B, which is 16. That will give us 852 plus 16 that will give us 868. Okay, the root of that is 29.5, so we'll take that. So that's 29.5 approximately over 6, because 2 times 3 is 6. So my X will be 4 plus 29.5 over 6, or 4 minus 29.5 over 6. Or X is equals to, okay, plus 4 is 33.5. 33.5 over 6, or 4 minus that, minus 29.5, 9.5, plus of this divided by 6. So final answer minus 4.3. So X is equals to 33.5 divided by 6 is equals to 5.6. 5.6 or minus 4.3. Here we go. Let's take another question. S squared plus X minus 12. So we have X squared plus X minus 12 equals to 0. A is 1, B is 1, C is minus 12. Our X is minus B plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Our x is equal to minus, our b is 1, so minus 1 plus or minus the root of b squared is 1 squared, minus 4 times a is 1, times c is minus 12, all over 2 times a is 1. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus the root of 1 plus 4 times 12 is 48 over 2. So my x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus the root of 49 is 7 over 2. Come over here. That's 1 plus 48 is 49. The root of 49 is 7. So my x is equals to minus 1 plus 7 over 2, or minus 1 minus 7 over 2. X is equals to, this is 6 over 2, or minus 8 over 2. X is equals to 3 or minus 4. So let's take maybe some more questions. S squared minus 2x minus 15. S squared minus 2x minus 15 is equals to 0. A is equals to the coefficient of x is 1. B, the coefficient of this x is minus 2. C, the is just minus 15. So my x is equals to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. X is equals to minus b. B is minus 2, so become minus 2, plus or minus the root of b minus 2, so minus 2 squared, minus 4 times a is 1, times c is minus 15. Minus 15 all over 2 times a, which is 1. So my x is equal to minus times minus is plus. So I have my 2 plus or minus the root of minus 2 squared is 4. Minus times minus is plus. 4 times 15 should be 60 all over 2. X is equals to 2 plus or minus the root of 64 over 2. Cross over. X is equals to 2 plus or minus the root of 64 is 8 over 2. And my x is equals to 2 plus 8 over 2, or 2 minus 8 over 2. X is equals to 10 over 2, or minus 6 over 2. My x is equals to 5 or minus 4. 2y squared minus 11y plus 12 equals to 0. Let's confirm that. 2y squared minus 11y plus 12 equals to 0. So our a is equals to 2, the coefficient of y, our b equals to minus 11, our c is equals to 12. X is equals to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. X is equals to minus b is minus 11, so it's minus 11, close bracket, plus or minus the root of b squared, which is minus 11 squared, minus 4 times my a here is 2, times my c is 12, all over 2 times a, which is 2. X is equals to 11 plus or minus 11 squared is 121. 121 minus 4 times 2 times 12 is 96. all over 4. X is equals to 11 plus or minus the root of 121 minus 96 is equals to 25. Over here, X is equals to 11 plus or minus the root of 25 over 4. X is equals to 11 plus or minus 5 over 4. The root of 25 is 4. And X is equals to 11 plus 5 over 4, or 11 minus 5 over 4. And my X is equals to 16 over 4, or 11 minus 5, 9 over 4. And X is equals to 4, or 4 going to 9, 8. 2 times 1 over 4. Okay. Nine x open bracket x plus 1 equals to 4. We rearrange by expanding this. This is called 9x squared plus 9x is equals to 4. We take this guy inside. 9x squared plus 9x minus 4 equals to 0. So my A is equals to 9, my B is equals to 9, and my C is equals to minus 4. The formula X is equals to minus B plus or minus the root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. And X is equals to minus B is 9 plus or minus the root of 9 squared minus 4 times A is also 9 times C is minus 4, all over 2 times 9, 18. Okay, X is equals to minus 9 plus or minus the root of 81 plus minus times minus is plus 4 times 9 times 4. 4 times 9 times 4 is 144. 144 over 18. Minus 9 plus or minus the root of 144 plus 81. 225 over 18. X is equal to minus 9 plus or minus the root of that is 15 over 18. So my X is equal to minus 9 plus 15 over 18, or minus 9 minus 15 over 18. Okay. Minus 9. 6 over 18. So my X is equal to 6 over 18, or 15 plus 9 minus 24 over 18. So this is 2 go here, is 3 over 4, and this also can be reduced. So, but that's just like that. You can break it down to the last, that will be fine. Okay, so we've been able to do justice to solving the formula method in order that we'll be able to see the difference between the formula method and the factorization method, which one is more difficult or complicated in the course, or which one is faster. Because when it comes to exams, we tend to go for the formula or the method which is shorter and faster, and that is devoid of more complications so that we don't make mistakes in the course of our solving the question. So far, we've been able to do justice to that. We've been able to see, in my opinion, I think the formula method is more appropriate, while you crack your head in order to get the factors in the question in order for you to proceed. But this one just moves straight forward to solve and get what you want. I will like to solve one more. I will factorize it, and I also get the formula of it, so that I'll be able to proceed to see the difference between the two. So let's say x minus 3 squared equals to 25. We're going to use the two methods to solve. I'll factorize it at the same time. I'll use the formula method, okay? So the question is x minus 3 squared. So I have x minus 3 squared is equals to 25. Is that? Yeah. X minus 3 squared equals to 25. So I will expand. This means that x minus 3 equals to 25. X times x is x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. X minus 3 times x is minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 3 is 9 plus 9 equals to 25. And this is x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals to 25. And that is x squared minus 6x plus 9. This comes in, become minus 25 is equals to 0. And now my x squared minus 6x. Okay, so 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 is equals to 16. So this becomes plus 16 is equals to 0. So now I want to get the factors here. Now I'm looking for two numbers that when I add, I have minus 6. When I multiply, I have 16. Remember how we do it. We come here, we have our 16. 2 go here, give us 8. 2 go here, give us 4. 2 go here, give us 2. And 2 go here, give us 1. So we're looking for two numbers that when we add 8 and 2, when we subtract 8 from 2, we're going to have minus 6. And when we multiply 8 times 2, we're going to get 16. So we can use 8 and 2 here. So I have, remember we say 8, 2, we can have minus and plus. Minus 8 plus 2. Okay. Yeah. This is my plus 9 minus 25. So the answer here is minus. Sorry. This is a bigger sign. So we're going to have minus 16. So we can use minus 8 plus 2 will give us minus 6. Minus 8 times 2 will give us minus 16. So this is the factor we use here. So we have x squared minus 8x plus 2x minus 16 is equals to 0. So I have my x, open bracket x, minus 8 will give me this, plus 2x minus 8 gives me this, equals to 0. So x plus 2 and x minus 8 equals to 0. So x plus 2 equals to 0, or x minus 2 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2 or 2. Okay. X minus 8 equals to 0. So the 8 crossover will become or 8. Trying to economize the board so that I can use my formula method here too. So I have x equals to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, and x is equals to minus my b. Okay, let's come here. This is the last step here. No? Yeah. My b is minus 6, so I have minus 6 plus or minus the root of minus 6 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is minus 16, all over 2 times a is 1. So x is equals to 6 plus or minus 36, yeah? Minus and minus is plus. 4 times 5, 24, 6, 24. All over 2. X is equal to 6 plus or minus 36 plus 24. 36 plus 24 is 60. Okay. 6 squared is 36. Minus times minus is plus. 4 times 6 here. 24. 4 plus 36. Okay. We have 60 over 2. X is equal to 6 plus or minus the root of 60. I don't think that's the square. 7.7, which is approximately 8 over 2. Now x is equal to 6 plus 8 over 2, or 6 minus 8 over 2. X is equal to 6 plus 8, 12, 13, 14 over 2, which is 7, or 6 minus 8 over 2, minus over 2, that is minus 1. So that's not it. That's not it at all. So it's not correct. So this is perfect. Maybe there is a mistake this other way around. Minus 4 times 1 times 6. I said 16. I will be using 6 all the while. That's crazy. 16. Okay, let's take that minus. I give us plus 4 times 16 times 16. 64. Wow. 64 plus 36. 100. Crazy, man. 100. The root of 100 is 10. 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Or 6 minus 10 is minus 4. Minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. So the mistake was mine. So x is the same. 6 plus 10 is 16 divided by 2 is 8. Or 6 minus 10 is minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. That's perfect. So, it is very important when we're solving, we must be very careful not to make mistakes. See, the little mistake, what it would have cost us, because I was 16, I'm writing 6, and that would have given us something different. Obviously, it was different. But right now, we can see that the two methods can give us the same thing. In my opinion, this is faster, and it would have been faster even for the fact that there was a lot of mistake in the course of the solving procedure or principle. So, whatever it is, we've been able to come to the end of our formula method, which we remember too well that if we don't forget our formula, it is easier for us to use it, and also being able to apply it as in the A, B, and the C. And the minus that comes in terms of this minus B, if B tends to be minus something, you should know that that minus multiplied with the minus that is therein will change it to a plus. Very important. So you can see minus minus here turns it to a plus. And so on we proceed to the end of the reaction. So the next class, when we're talking about quadratic, we should be going to how they call it, completing the square method or the quadratic method. Any of the two methods we can deal with. But the most important thing is that when a question is given to us in quadratic, we can use any one that we are so good at to get to it, okay? Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. See you again. Have a nice time.